NBI Deputy Director Ray Esmeralda maintains that former NBI Chief Magtanggol Gatdula had a hand in an attempt to kill him 2 years ago. Esmeralda made the statement after DOJ probers cleared Gatdula of involvement in the Esmeralda ambush. Again, the details from Noel Perfecto.
NBI Director for Intelligence Ray Esmeralda stressed that there is no one else behind the ambush other than the individuals on his complaint to the Bureau, Magtanggol Gatdula, Tyrone Ong, and 9 others. This was claimed by Esmeralda before the media after DOJ probers released their findings on the ambush incident 2 years ago, wherein Gatdula was acquitted. According to Esmeralda, he filed a motion for the consideration of the Justice Department to look into evidences and testimonies of witnesses to find out what really happened.
Hihingiin natin ngayon sa panel na file na natin yung motion for reconsideration, ay pabilisan naman nila. Hindi naman gaano kahirap ang kasong to eh. Umabot ng bali 1 taon. At saka 8 buwan bago nila na-resolve yung kaso na yan. Practically lahat ng akusado dito, except of course yung iba, ay umamin na merong extrajudicial confession. Ba't tatagal naman ng ganun?
He also questioned the lowering of charges from frustrated murder to attempted murder. He is hoping that the DOJ will be fair on their judgment. The vehicle of Esmeralda was riddled with bullets, wherein the NBI official, his brother, and driver suffered injuries.
Ang importante lang dito, pabilisan naman. Yung nakikiusap tayo sa panel. Sa testimonya naman ni Sergeant Villanueva, sinasabi niya na andoon daw yung dating direktor at saka si Tyrone, nag-uusap-usap sila, yung binanggit yung utos na ipaliquidate tayo.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.